Well, Cynthia, you were just talking about people wanting to increase those bubbles. There is some good news for those who want to get out and enjoy the outdoors, but there are some limitations. 850 parks amenities will be opening as of this weekend, including soccer fields, baseball diamonds, basketball, and tennis courts, but there will still be restrictions based on the need for physical distancing. Those spaces aren't supposed to be used for team sports unless those using them are from the same household. They are available for other activities like walking, running, and biking.
These facilities, therefore, are open for casual use rather than for team sports in that same spirit. If you arrive at an amenity in a park that is crowded, you should wait until there is enough space for physical distancing or return at another time. Again, it is a matter of common sense and personal responsibility.
Now, much like her federal and provincial counterparts have done, Dr. Eileen Davila is now strongly recommending that people wear a face mask or covering where physical distancing can't be maintained. Places like elevators, grocery and retail stores, or on public transit.
When you are out and about, you may find yourself in a situation where you may need a mask when you cannot maintain 6 feet of physical distance from others. So I ask that you please plan ahead as best you can. At this time, face masks or face coverings are not mandatory in Toronto.
Some other big news from our streets today. City staff and police once again made their way to a couple of homeless encampments today. One at Lake Shore in Spadina, where they continued to clean up from where an area had been cleared last week. The other at Richmond and Power Streets, where 27 people were moved to interim housing while their tents and other items were cleared from the scene.
I believe that the city is following a sensitive, sensible, and consistent policy with respect to, and I think you'll hear the numbers with respect to the activities that went on today, with respect to ensuring that all, if possible, and certainly the vast majority of people who are living in these encampments, which represent a serious public safety and public health risk, are found optional, additional or alternate housing for themselves before the encampments are cleared, and they're cleared after that is done. And I think that is entirely the appropriate thing for the city to be doing in the best interest of public health and public safety.
Here's some more of your Toronto numbers now. With 263 new cases today, Toronto has now surpassed 9,000 cases of COVID-19. That's another jump due to testing, while 6,735 people have now recovered from the virus. 413 people are currently in hospital, with 92 in the intensive care unit. 716 people have now died as a result of COVID-19. The city's active TO program is actually going to be expanding this weekend as well. More street closures for people to get out to walk and run and cycle. Parts of Lakeshore Boulevard, both east and west, are going to be closed down, as well as Bayview Avenue. More details on those from the city's website.